Welcome to our channel. Our today's topic is types of irrigation. Irrigation may be broadly be classified into surface irrigation and subsurface irrigation. What is surface irrigation? Surface irrigation is the type of irrigation where water is applied and distributed over the soil surface by gravity. Surface irrigation is further classified into flow irrigation and lift irrigation. What is flow irrigation? When the water is available at a higher level and it is supplied to lower level by the mere action of gravity, then it is called flow irrigation. Next is lift irrigation. If the water is lifted up by some mechanical or manual means such as by pumps, etc., and then supplied for irrigation, then it is called lift irrigation. Like this, if it is a well, okay, and here is the water. Well, or reservoir or such a thing, and our field is here. Here is our field. So how to irrigate them? How to irrigate the field? So we have to pump up the water and lifted up the water and to irrigate the land. So this is called lift irrigation. Okay. Flow irrigation is subdivided into perennial irrigation and flood irrigation. What is perennial irrigation? In perennial system of irrigation, constant and continuous water supply is assured to the crops accordance with the requirement of the crop. When irrigation is done by diverting the river runoff into a main canal by constructing a diversion wire or a barrage across the river, then it is called direct irrigation. If a dam is constructed across the river to store water during monsoons so as to storage irrigation. Next is flood irrigation. Flood irrigation or inundation irrigation is done by a canal taking off from a river in flood without any diversion work. This is subsurface irrigation. In this type of irrigation, water does not wet the soil surface. The underground water nourishes the plant roots by capillarity. This was our topic. Thank you. Goodbye.